After a great time in Lagoon Cove, we set off for Waddington Bay. Towing our dinghy behind Escapade, we make our way in the drizzle and rain, hoping to stay ahead of the approaching storm. As we proceed farther north, we can see the landscape becoming more and more remote and rugged. There are small islands and bays all along our way, and despite the rain, the scenery is simply beautiful. Waddington Bay is a protected anchorage near Bonwick Island and the Broughton Archipelago. As we enter the anchorage, there are just a handful of boats. We find a spot that looks good for 2 boats and prepare to anchor. Empress is not far behind and will raft off our starboard side. The storm blew through, and the next day was sunny and warm with beautiful blue skies. We were able to try out our new drone, drop a crab pot, dinghy around the island, and explore the forest. We are anchored in Waddington Bay. It's Wednesday. We waited out a storm system here. It was blowing pretty good, but it's pretty protected here. Not really anything around here. We've just brought the girls to a little remote island we were able to get onto so they could stretch their legs a little bit, get off the boat, be on land. Yesterday we took them to the edge of the water, the beach, I guess you would say. Is it a beach? Yeah. Anyways, we were in the forest. That was interesting. We found the remains of a dead deer. So we don't know if it was a bear or a cougar or what exactly. It was very interesting in there. A little daunting being in a forest where there's really no trail. And now we're on some little remote rock. My dogs and my husband are billy goats. I am not so much a billy goat, but I'm trying. There's little Rue having fun sniffing. Piper. Daisy's coming around. Beautiful view here. Absolutely gorgeous. These islands are rugged and remote. Just nothing here. We haven't seen very much wildlife either, which is interesting. Been looking for a bear or an eagle. We've seen a couple eagles, but we see just as many at home.
That's why you were going, man, until you caught dinner.
It was hard fought. It wasn't much.
No, that's why I figured you just keep going until dinner was in the boat.
You can't see any more crab?
More crab.
Oh,
good.
We got 4 more keepers.
Oh, good.
Nice.
Tonight.
Everybody got 5. We've been around the horn.
With bellies full, both people and pets settled in for a relaxing evening. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episode when we travel to Echo Bay.